morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something very important. It's called the power of positive thinking. Let me ask you a question. When you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you think? Do you think, today will be a great day? Or do you think, oh no, another difficult day?
Your answer is very important. Why? Because our thoughts control our life. Positive thoughts make our life better. Negative thoughts make our life harder. Today, I will show you 3 main points. What is positive thinking? Why is positive thinking powerful? How can we practice positive thinking every day?
First, what is positive thinking? It's very simple. Positive thinking means looking at the good side of every situation. It means choosing hope instead of fear. It means believing that good things can happen. Let me give you an example. Example 1. You lose your job. Negative thinking. This is terrible. I'm a failure. My life is over. Positive thinking. This is difficult, but now I have a chance to find a better job. I can learn new skills. Do you see the difference? Same situation, but different thought.
What positive thinking is not. But wait, positive thinking is not ignoring problems. It's not pretending everything is perfect. Positive thinking means you see the problem clearly, you stay calm, you believe you can find a solution, you focus on what you can do, not what you cannot do.
Why is positive thinking powerful? Now, let's talk about why positive thinking is so powerful. It helps you in 3 main ways. 1, it helps your mind. When you think positive thoughts, you feel less stress and worry. You feel happier and more peaceful. Your memory works better. You can solve problems more easily. You have more confidence. Scientists have studied this. They found that people who think positively have less depression and less anxiety. Benefits for your body. This is amazing. Your thoughts affect your physical health too. People who think positively have stronger immune systems, they get sick less often, have healthier hearts, live longer lives, sleep better at night, have more energy during the day. When you are stressed and negative, your body produces a chemical called cortisol. Too much cortisol is bad for your health. Positive thinking reduces cortisol. Benefits for your success. Positive thinking helps you achieve your goals. When you think positively, you try new things. You're not afraid to fail. You don't give up easily. You see opportunities everywhere. Other people want to help you. You learn from mistakes instead of feeling bad about them. Real example. Let me tell you a story. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but do you know how many times he failed? Over 10,000 times. Someone asked him, how does it feel to fail 10,000 times? Edison said, I didn't fail. I found 10,000 ways that don't work. That's positive thinking. He didn't give up. He learned from each mistake. And how to practice positive thinking. Now the most important part. How can you practice positive thinking? Here are 5 easy ways. 1, start your day with gratitude. Every morning, think of 3 things you are thankful for. It can be simple. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my health. I'm thankful for this beautiful day. This simple practice changes your brain. It helps you see the good things in life. 2, change negative words to positive words. Pay attention to your words. Change them. Instead of, I can't do this, say, I will try my best. Instead of, this is too hard, say, this is challenging, but I can learn. Instead of, I always fail, say, I'm learning and improving. Words are powerful. They shape how you feel. 3. Surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with people who are positive and supportive. Avoid people who always complain and think negatively. Remember this saying, you become like the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. 4. Practice positive self-talk. Talk to yourself like you talk to a good friend. Be kind to yourself. When you make a mistake, don't say, I'm so stupid. Instead say, everyone makes mistakes. I will do better next time. Be your own best friend, not your own worst enemy. 5. Focus on solutions, not problems. When you face a problem, ask yourself, what can I do about this? What can I learn from this? How can I make this better? Don't waste energy worrying. Use your energy to find solutions.
Let me summarize what we learned today. Positive thinking means focusing on the good side and believing in solutions. It's powerful because it helps your mind, your body, and your success. You can practice it daily with gratitude, positive words, good people, kind self-talk, and focusing on solutions. Final message. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. If you change your thoughts, you can change your life. It won't happen in one day. It takes practice. But if you practice every day, even just a little bit, you will see amazing changes. Start today. Start now. Think one positive thought right now. That's your first step. As the famous saying goes, whether you think you can or you think you can't, so choose to think you can. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you will use the power of positive thinking in your life.